Let's be honest, you're not just in the gym to pass the time. You're sculpting, you're building, you're chasing that strong, powerful head-turning silhouette. You want that big, round, juicy peach, and you deserve to know exactly how to get it. But are you stuck in a cycle of endless squats and donkey kicks, only to see minimal progress? Are you making the same common mistakes that keep your glutes dormant, your butt flat, and your results painfully slow? Wasting hours in the gym without a clear strategy is the fastest way to lose motivation. In the next 5 minutes, I'm throwing out the fluff and showing you exactly how to build your booty fast, the right way. We're talking real science, a proven workout plan, and the nutrition secrets that fuel incredible results. Meet Sarah. 6 months ago, she was where you might be right now. She hated looking in the mirror, feeling like her hard work wasn't paying off. Her jeans wouldn't fit right. She felt self-conscious and invisible at the club. Fast forward to today. That feeling is a distant memory. Now, heads turn when she walks by, not just because of how she looks, but because of the confidence she radiates. Her booty, round, firm, lifted. She feels powerful in her own skin. So what was the difference? She stopped guessing and doing random workouts she found online, and started following this exact science-backed plan, a plan designed for strategic growth, and today I'm sharing it with you. Alright, let's get one thing straight right now. We need to bust some serious glute growth myths. Are you spending hours on the treadmill, hoping it'll magically build a shelf? Spoiler alert, it won't. Endless cardio is fantastic for your heart, but it's a calorie-burning activity, not a muscle-building one. And those 100 squat-a-day challenges you see all over social media? While they might give you a temporary burn, they're not the secret to long-term growth. Your body is smart, it adapts quickly. Without increasing the challenge, you're just spinning your wheels, not building your glutes. The real formula for building those head-turning curves comes down to 3 non-negotiable pillars: resistance, structure, and unwavering consistency. This is the principle of progressive overload. To grow, your glutes have to be challenged. That means gradually lifting heavier weights, doing more reps, or improving your form over time. You must give your muscles a reason to adapt and get stronger. This is where the real magic happens. We prioritize big, compound movements that recruit the most muscle fibers. Think heavy hip thrusts to build that top shelf, RDLs for the underglute hamstring tie-in, and Bulgarian split squats to work each glute individually for maximum development. These are your bread and butter. Structure is your roadmap. We train glutes 3 times per week to maximize our muscle-building signals without overtraining. A smart split could be Monday for glutes and hamstrings, Wednesday for a full lower body day, and Friday for a high-rep glute burnout session. This ensures you hit the muscles from all angles and give them adequate time to recover and grow. Finally, you can't build a house without bricks. You have to eat enough. Your body needs fuel to build muscle. Aim for at least 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of your goal body weight. Protein provides the amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. Remember, a round, strong butt isn't built on salad alone. First up, barbell hip thrusts, the undisputed queen of glute builders. Position your shoulder blades firmly against the bench, feet flat on the floor. The magic happens when you drive through your heels, not your toes. Keep your chin tucked towards your chest to protect your neck and maintain a neutral spine. At the top, pause and squeeze your glutes as hard as you can for a solid second or two. This isn't about speed, it's about a powerful, controlled contraction that directly targets the gluteus maximus for that coveted shelf look. Next, Romanian deadlifts. This is where we build density and thickness. Think of this as a hinge, not a squat. Push your hips straight back as if you're trying to close a car door with your booty. Keep the weight close to your shins and maintain a slight bend in your knees. You should feel a deep stretch in your hamstrings. As you return to the top, drive your hips forward and squeeze your glutes. This movement is fundamental for creating that full, rounded shape from the side profile. Bulgarian split squats. Yes, they burn, but this is your booty's best friend for unilateral strength and shape. Elevate your back foot and keep your torso upright. To make it more glute-focused, lean forward slightly and think about driving down through your front heel. This isolates the glute of the working leg, challenging your stability and carving out detail you can't get from other exercises. Embrace the burn, it's the feeling of progress. Now for some isolation work with cable kickbacks. This is all about precision. Brace your core and hinge forward slightly. Kick back with control, focusing on squeezing the glute max at the peak of the movement to shape the upper part of your booty. Avoid swinging or using momentum. The goal here is a strong mind-muscle connection to really sculpt and define. Finally, we finish with glute bridges with abduction. This targets the gluteus medius, the muscle on the side of your booty that creates that round, full appearance. Lie on your back with a band around your thighs. Bridge up, squeeze your glutes, and at the top, push your knees out against the band. Squeeze, open, control. This is the secret to pure booty roundness and a perfect finisher. Remember Sarah from the beginning? Her transformation wasn't an accident or overnight magic. It was the result of showing up, committing to the process, and trusting the plan. She trained smart with exercises just like these. She fueled her body right, and most importantly, she started to believe in her own power to change. Your booty transformation starts with one simple choice. Are you going to keep guessing and hoping for results? Or are you ready to start growing with a proven strategy? Now it's your turn to take that first step. If you're serious about sculpting your dream booty and unlocking a new level of confidence, hit that subscribe button right now. Drop a comment below with booty goals to join our community of queens. Remember, you're not just building a body, you're building resilience, discipline, and unshakable confidence that will radiate into every part of your life. Your new booty is just a workout away. Let's grow, queen.